Twitch panels.
Which one do I need?
Which one's the most important one to have?
Do I even need them on my channel?
Can they be videos?
What size are they supposed to be?
Can they be GIFs? All these questions answered in one video. Let's go. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Slojo, and in this video we're going to cover everything you need to know about Twitch panels. So firstly, what are Twitch panels? Think of them as a way of communicating to your viewers and to your audience and anyone that's checking out your channel page without using
Any words?
Which Twitch panels are the most important? Donations. I'm just kidding, don't put that there first. Please do not take that advice, do not quote me on the advice. So you may be wondering,
Which Twitch panels do I need? Which ones are the most important?
so to answer that question, I'm going to rapid fire them in order of the most important, and then afterwards I'm going to go into detail on how to actually add these to your page and what you need to say in each one of them. So first and most importantly, you need an about me section. Secondly, you need a schedule to show when you're online again. Thirdly, you're going to want some Twitch panels that are going to link out to your social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Bring them on there. Fourthly, you're going to want a donations panel so that people can show their support to your channel. Fifthly, you're going to want a rules panel, but I like to call mine the values panel of what my channel will accept and will not accept. And sixth,
Anything.
quite literally, you can add anything from your Discord to just having images up there that showcase who you are, what you're about, your creative work outside of Twitch. It's free real estate. Next question, what size should these Twitch panels be? Well, they can be any size. It's up to you on what you prefer. But hey, if you want, I'm going to upload a free download template that you guys can use for your Twitch panels. And if I can, I'll add even more custom designs into that folder. So I'll make sure to put the link in the description, so go and check it out. Yeah, it's free real estate there. Next question, can you put videos as your panels? Nah, I tried. Can you put GIFs? Nah, I tried. Actually, I put together a GIF for fun. I was just trying out something for my donations. It picked one frame. Boy, what a frame to pick. How long can it be? Well, long. Can I put pictures of myself on my Twitch panel? Yeah. Might just look vain though if you're putting up selfies. So put something cool and creative, like yourself in a Spartan War Hero outfit. How to write an about me section? Well, who are you? What do you stand for? What makes you different? Do you eat pineapple on pizza? I'm just kidding. So when you're writing your about me section, it is important to firstly keep it short, be brief, be bright, be out. So firstly, explain a bit of who you are or something that grabs their attention immediately. Like for mine, I go, hey, I'm Slojo with the Mojo, South African content creator with a heart for people. Boom, I've captivated you, and I'll tell you that I have a heart for you and that I'm all about you. Next thing, I go, some people call me Jolia, so add a bit of personality to it, something personal about you that kind of builds a bridge between you and the person checking out your page. Remember, Twitch is all about building relationships and connections, so you want to share a little bit something personal about you. Like for me, I said I eat pineapple on pizza. Probably triggered so many people right there. So for you, that might mean actually you're a gym junkie, I don't know, you're a Star Wars fan and that's all you watch and that's all you love talking about. Just add something in there, and also you can add a corny joke or like a pun or something. I love puns. I'm like a dad, even though I don't have kids, thank goodness. Sorry to all the dads out there. Lord bless you. What kind of schedule should you have? Well, it's your schedule. When it just shows whenever you live. You can get an extension and add it to your panels. From that extension, you can then add the days that you're live and the time that you are live as well. What's amazing about this extension is it'll convert the time that I am live to your time zone so that you know exactly when I'm live wherever you are in the world, making it internationally acceptable. Go check it out, go use it, it's amazing. Thirdly, are social media panels important? I think they are important. It's a way for people to then connect with you on a deeper level through your Twitter, through your Instagram, and also to show even more support if they want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you're enjoying this and this is adding value to you, smash that like button and hit that sub button for any future awesome dope content coming your way. Rules panel, as I like to call Values panel. This one is important. I feel every channel should have something that they stand for, things that they accept and things that they don't accept. Here's an example of my values that I have on my channel. Firstly is I have love for all. This is a community where I want everyone to show love and respect for everyone. That's why I also have respect for all underneath it. I also have no hate speech, no link spamming, no self-promotion, no religious debates, and respect baby Yoda. He has spoken. So guys, there you have it. Everything that you need to know about Twitch panels. Did I answer all of your questions? If not, leave them down in the comments below. And as I said before, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit up that subscribe button, and stay tuned for any future content. And if you have any more Twitch related questions, I'd love for you to shoot them my way in the comments below. I'll see you guys there. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. May the force be with you guys. Peace out.